Tomorrow, we are going to start our third state lab, called Relationships and Biodiversity. The word biodiversity means a variety of life. In this lab, we will investigate the evolutionary relationship between a variety of plants. Let's read the introduction together. Highlight or underline anything I do. Botanicurus is a valuable plant because it produces curare, a compound used for treating certain kinds of cancer. Curare cannot be produced in a laboratory. Botanicurus grows very slowly and is on the endangered species list, so its ability to provide curare in large quantities is limited. Species that are more closely related to Botanicurus are more likely to produce the important substance curare. Three similar plant species that are plentiful, X, Y, and Z, may be related to Botanicurus. You will work with your researcher to gather structural and molecular evidence to determine which plant species is most closely related to the hypothetical species Botanicurus, and use this evidence to decide which plant species is most likely to serve as a source of the important substance curare. As stated, Botanicurus is hypothetical, which means it does not exist. Even though this species does not exist, there are many unknown organisms in our rainforests, and they may be able to treat or cure diseases we do not yet have a cure for. Because of the human activity, deforestation, living organisms may become extinct before we know their medical value. Okay, let's review what we just said. Now we have Botanicurus, which produces curare, a treatment for cancer. And we know that it's endangered, which means it is in danger of becoming extinct. So we are going to compare Botanicurus to species X, species Y, and species Z, in hopes that the species most closely related to Botanicurus produces curare, the treatment for cancer. To be prepared for tomorrow's class discussion, answer the following questions. 1. Why do we want to find out which species is most closely related to Botanicurus? 2. What are some examples of structural similarities that can be seen between these plants? And number 3, what kind of molecular evidence can be collected?